So our second interval is going to be -2 and 0. Okay. So going back to our previous table, our previous chart, I'll go ahead and give you the points that we're going to need. So -2 corresponds to 56, and then 0 corresponds to 20. So we're doing the same thing. Still doing our average rate of change. So our y, so y2 is 20 minus y1, which is 56, okay, over x2, which is 0, minus x1, which is -2, okay? So 20 minus 56, okay, is -36 over, well, negative is positive, so +2, and -36 divided by 2 is -18. Okay, so our average rate of change for this one is -18. Okay. All right, so now for this last one, we have the interval x is between 2 and 4. So going back to our table, I'll go ahead and give you the points. So if it's between 2 and 4, well, 2 corresponds to -8. 4 corresponds to -28. Okay, so we have our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2, -28, minus y1, -8. Then we have our x2 is 4 minus our x1 is 2. So -28 minus a -8, so really that would be a plus. So -28 plus 8 would be -20. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. And -20 divided by 2 will be -10. Okay? So our average rate of change for this one would be -10. Okay? Okay, so our next one says, what is the end behavior of the graph of f of x equals 152x squared plus 6,978x minus 2011. Okay, so we're really only looking for what the ends are doing. Okay, so if we remember, happy, if it's positive, it's happy. If it's negative, it's sad. Okay, so we're really only looking to see what are the ends doing. So that with this function right here, it's positive. So positive means we're going to be looking at this one. I'm going to do away with that one. So we're only looking at what our ends are doing. What are our ends doing? Well, they're both going up. So if they're both going up, then they're both increasing. Okay, so they're increasing. So if they're both increasing, then that's what we're going to look for. So we're looking for just the end part, because it's end behavior, so we're looking for the end part, our y's. So what are our y's doing? Well, if they're both increasing, that's what we're looking for, both increasing. So here we have increases, decreases. So that's no. It's not it. We're looking for increase, increase. Decrease, decrease. For B, no. We're looking for increase, increase. There it is. So there's our increase, increase. Okay, so the answer for this one would be C. because they're both increasing.